Hi. Let's learn about letters of credit. A letter of credit is a document from a bank that guarantees a seller will receive a buyer's payment on time and for the correct amount. If the buyer is unable to make a payment, the bank covers the full or remaining amount of the purchase. It's commonly used in international trade due to factors such as distance, differing laws, and unfamiliarity between parties. When a buyer needs to assure a seller that payment will be made, a bank issues a letter of credit to guarantee the payment to the seller. The buyer must prove they have enough assets or a sufficient line of credit. The issuing bank pays the beneficiary or any bank nominated by the beneficiary, and if transferable, the beneficiary may assign the right to draw to another entity. The International Chamber of Commerce oversees letters of credit used in international transactions. Banks usually charge a fee for a letter of credit, which can be a percentage of the total credit they are backing. The cost will vary by bank and the size of the credit. Different types of letters may also have different fees. For example, an unconfirmed letter of credit is less costly in an import-export situation, while a confirmed letter of credit may have higher fees based on the issuing bank's credit strength. There are several types of letters of credit, including commercial, revolving, travelers, and confirmed letters of credit. A commercial letter of credit is a direct payment method from the issuing bank to the beneficiary, while a standby letter of credit is a secondary payment method. A revolving letter of credit allows a customer to make multiple draws within a specific time period, and a traveler's letter of credit guarantees drafts made at foreign banks. A confirmed letter of credit involves a bank other than the issuing bank guaranteeing the credit. An example of a letter of credit is one offered by Citibank, which guarantees payment for buyers in certain regions. This helps exporters minimize the risk associated with the buyer's country and the issuing bank's credit risk. Letters of credit are typically provided within 2 business days, guaranteeing payment by the confirming Citibank branch, which is especially valuable in unstable economic environments. Letters of credit are best prepared by trained professionals due to the detailed documentation required. Approach each letter differently due to industry variations and types of letters of credit. Obtaining a letter of credit may be necessary in certain situations. However, there are pros and cons to consider, just like anything related to banking, trade, and business. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. A letter of credit is a document sent from a bank or financial institute that guarantees that a seller will receive a buyer's payment on time and for the full amount. 2. Letters of credit are often used within the international trade industry. 3. There are many different letters of credit, including one called a revolving letter of credit. 4. Banks collect a fee for issuing a letter of credit. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.